pasta for the first time. Okay, so I have the pasta here and things. Okay guys, so I just put the water on to boil. And I put some salt. What do I put in it?
It's better when you're on the call because pasta doesn't get so cross. And just put all the pasta in.
Tricks, I miss you. See you soon. Okay guys, so I've just cooked the pasta and I also cooked some bacon. Now I have to drain this. Did it. Okay guys, I finished making my dinner and now I'm gonna eat it. Okay, and it's advent calendar time. So here's day 13. Just gonna open it. It says, where does Santa live? The North Pole. Here we have our chocolate for today. Second one. Here it is. Okay guys, thanks so much for watching this video. It's really short, but I still hope you liked it. And if you did, please give it a big thumbs up, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!